Hello everyone, it's Z66, your underpaid, undertrained, and underinsured mechanic. And this strip of videos is about basically replacing the entire interior lights on a Infiniti FX 35. I hope these videos are useful for you because, sometimes it's nice to see a guide before you start tearing into things. No one wants to break anything. It's tons of fun to find parts for these vehicles. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the videos. Now these are basically the same as the other ones you pull out. Just pry. Get the little clip off right here. Okay, so let's go over this part. You got these little clips that you push in right here on the sides. And there's a little screw right here that I couldn't take off in camera. You couldn't get an angle. You take that off, and I used this little flathead to push these plastic components in so you can get an angle on this, and just come through here, start getting things loose. Come around to the other side. And you just push those in, those little clips. And it will pop right out. See? And there you go. There's the bulb if you need to replace it. I don't know what this bulb is exactly because mine's still good. Well, yep. You just put everything back together like this. Okay. Now you take this little screw with a magnetic screwdriver. This makes it so much easier. And you just tighten it back in. Then you hook everything back up. Make sure it works and you're good to go.